In today's video, I'm going to teach you a guide how to convert Figma designs into Framer websites. We'll walk through a clean, reliable workflow to bring your Figma frame into Framer using a plugin, and I'll share a few practical tips so your result looks just like your design. Start by opening your design in Figma. Make sure you're looking at the exact frame you want to bring into Framer. Keeping one frame selected helps avoid confusion. It's also helpful if the frame uses clear layer names and consistent sizing, like a desktop or mobile canvas, so the import maps neatly. Look toward the bottom of the Figma interface for the small action icon. Click that to open the menu, then choose Plugins and Widgets. In the search bar, type Figma to HTML with Framer. When you see it, run the plugin. If Figma prompts you for permissions, allow them so the plugin can read your selected frame. Next, select the frame you want to copy. Right-click directly on that frame, hover over plugins, and choose Figma to HTML with Framer from the list. The plugin will analyze your frame and prep the content for export. When it's ready, click Copy to Clipboard. This places the generated content, structure, styles, and assets onto your clipboard in a format Framer can understand. If your frame is large, give it a moment to finish. Now switch over to Framer. Open your project or create a new one and go to the canvas where you'd like the design to live. Select the frame or page area you plan to use as the destination. Right-click on the canvas and choose Paste. If Framer shows a confirmation, click Paste again to proceed. Framer will insert the content and position it within your selected frame. You should now see your Figma design appear in Framer. Zoom in and scan through the layout. Text, images, and shapes should be in place, and spacing should closely match your original. If a font looks off, add or activate the matching font in Framer to restore accuracy. For crisp results, ensure your original Figma assets are high resolution and avoid overly complex effects that don't translate to the web. From here, you can refine interactions, link buttons, and adjust responsiveness using Framer's tools, but the core transfer is complete. This method keeps your workflow fast. Select the frame in Figma, run the plugin, copy, then paste into Framer. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.